Hey everyone, it's John from Marton Brothers Manufacturing. By now I'm sure you guys have seen all of the really cool videos of the Tuggy sandbox boats that are floating around in various lakes. It's like, why not have one of these? And if we have a shop that can build anything, why not have one of these and modify it to what we want? So we found one for ourselves. We're gonna go ahead and take this thing. We're gonna do some 3D scanning. Stay tuned to see what we come up with. They have their 3D scanner, all the tools and software and everything needed. This is the one that we decided to go with the shop because we're able to be really mobile with it. We can move around cars, we can move around large objects. It also has a nice scanning surface finish in the CAD, and it's really accurate, so we were able to scan bearing bores and things like that with high accuracy. In the kit, they include these little dots. So these work with the laser to help ensure that you're getting the correct 3D scan of your model. Later on, when you actually scan this, and we'll show you some more on that software, you can scan sections of it and you can actually stitch those different sections together using these dots. All right, let's go ahead and put these things on. So you don't need a ton of these little dots. It just needs to help define what the 3D surface is. So putting a bunch of little dots really close isn't going to help you, but if you're spacing these out on an object this size, probably about every 10 inches or so, this is just going to help the scanner know what it's scanning. So you'll see we'll put these in random spots. Try and get a 3-axis type. So you'll see we'll have 1 axis, 2, and then maybe we'll put another one up on top for 3. So as we move the scanner around, it's able to start stitching all of this, and then later in the software, we're able to go ahead and put these sections together and stitch it all together for the final product. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Marton Brothers on YouTube and look forward to the new episodes of what's going on with this Tuggy.